I'm so excited.
It's crazy, bro. I've watched a lot of 3D films.
It was magnanimous.
Only Goosebumps, only. It was one of the best experiences I've had so far. And I'm just so glad to be part of this team and this movie. And this is going to be majestic.
एकदम मैं कुछ वर्ड्स नहीं है मेरे पास बोलने के लिए बट
Especially Hanuman character. Oh, expected. Saying I had goosebumps throughout. I mean, the effects, the music, it was amazing. I can't wait to watch the film.
One word for Ranveer and Yash.
I'm so excited. I'm just too excited to see them.
What do you think about the combo of A.R. Rahman and Hans Zimmer is there as a music composer?
I mean, it doesn't get any better. It doesn't get any better than the both of them. So
How excited are you to catch it?
I'm so excited. First day, first show, I'll book.
What's your rating out of 5 as of now?
5.
5. How was it for you?
It was really good for me. The sound effects and the VFX, it was really cool. And I really enjoyed that. I will definitely watch if it relates first. And the characters are really cool. Yeah, she's looking so good in that, whatever that. And Ranveer
What do you have to say about the face-off between Ranveer and Yash?
both good. They blend in the characters so well. And it will really well.
Are you excited to catch it?
Yes.
What's your rating out of 5 as of now?
For now, it's 7.
7.
Ah.
Bro, how was it for you?
It was crazy, bro. I've watched a lot of 3D films, but this has to be the best one yet. The animations, they were coming right up to my face, and I loved it.
What is that one thing which you moved the most?
Bro, the sound effects,
Oh.
along with that, the star cast, it's suiting the characters that they're playing. You know, Yash has a really great presence on the camera, as we all know, right? And as Ravan, I guess he'll be the best one out. Yeah.
One word for Ranveer. What do you have to say?
Bro, Ranveer is a masterclass actor, bro. What can I say about him? He's too good.
What's your rating out of 5 as of now?
100, bro. 100 out of 5, bro.
Oh,
Let's go.
thank you.
It was amazing.
Amazing.
Part of it too, and not seeing
Brainstorming.
it on screen, it is unreal. It is
Very touchy, very emotional. I was brainstorming. It was like expecting something beyond our expectation. It was magnanimous.
literally had goosebumps while watching our hard work on big screen. Amazing. Only goosebumps, only.
What do you have to say?
Like working on it, like honestly, I think it was one of the best experiences I've had so far, and it was just truly very heart filling, you know.
It's been our history. What do you have to say about the combo of VFX right now, the modernity and plus the history? What do you have to say about this blend?
It's going to look, honestly speaking, it's going to look majestic. You know, the VFX on the screen with the direction, with the cinematography, it's all just going to look beautiful. You know?
Bro, what?
The big screen, like the platform which we are getting
Hmm.
to showcase our epic, our Ramayana, which has not been done previously before in this big scale, big screen. It was like more than any expectation. It was too much. Like even we can compete the Hollywood.
क्या बात है?
People should think and they could see what Indian culture is coming up with. So bigger version of our own history.
क्या बात है? Ma'am,
Again, I am saying that once you see all these things on screen, now everything it just comes to life. It just comes to life, and it is such a beautiful feeling. And I'm just so glad to be part of this team and this movie. And this is going to be majestic.
what do you have to say about the casting of Ram as a Ranveer as a Rama and Yash as a Ravan?
They both completely do justice to their parts. I'm going to say that for sure. They both are so brilliant at their work, and they are completely gonna nail the role. I'm telling you.
What is that one thing that you are going to watch this on a big screen?
Sorry.
What is that one thing in this that you are going to experience this film in a big screen?
Well, mainly for our culture, but second for our costumes.
What's your rating out of 5?
100%.
कैसा क्या कहना रहेगा क्या बेस्ट लगा आपको सबसे?
मैंने अभी तक ऐसा स्क्रीनिंग देखा नहीं
ओके
जो विजुअल्स मुझे लगा कि मैंने कभी देखा नहीं फर्स्ट टाइम है
VFX एंड ऑल ग्राफिक्स बाकी यश एंड रणवीर है सबके बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
इतना अच्छा लग रहा था कि देख के कि एकदम मैं कुछ वर्ड्स नहीं है मेरे पास बोलने के लिए बट बहुत अच्छा लगा
मेरे ख्याल से A.R. रहमान एंड हैंस जिमर फर्स्ट टाइम ही दोनों साथ में आ रहे म्यूजिक के लिए. म्यूजिक किस तरीके का है इसका?
डेफिनेटली अच्छा ही होगा तो
ओके व्हाट्स योर रेटिंग आउट ऑफ 5?
5
Fan 5. Pretty good, bro. How was it for you?
5 आउट ऑफ 5 बीजम से इतना तगड़ा बना जिस करके रखते थे
क्या बेस्ट लगा आपको सबसे ज्यादा?
सबसे ज्यादा बेस्ट लगा इसकी कास्टिंग और बीजीएम अभी तक तो बहुत सही लगा।
Are you excited to catch the first?
I'm super excited.
Thank you.
Great, especially जो BGM है. Like literally, I can say कि everyone sitting in the auditorium सबको goosebumps आ रहे थे. And पहली बार I guess you know it's an Indian film who is collaborating with Hans Zimmer, जो एक Bollywood
Oscar winner, music winner.
yeah. So it's going to be great. And मैं तो यही सोच रहा हूँ कि introduction अगर इतना epic हो सकता है. So I don't know, you know, trailer, you know, whenever the teaser, the trailer, and the movie's gonna come, you know, it's gonna be a blockbuster.
क्या बात है?
So yeah.
What your take on this? How is it for you?
It's amazing. दूरदर्शन का रामायण देखने के बाद लगा कि ये VFX में देखेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा दूरदर्शन के नीचे अच्छा लग रहा अभी ये देखिए अभी मेन मूवी के लिए भाई एक्साइटेड
रणवीर राम के किरदार में और यश रावण के किरदार में कितने चच रहे हैं?
बहुत अभी फिलहाल तो हमें सिर्फ ग्लिम्स देखने मिला, 1 सेकंड का खाली वो ग्लिम्स था, बट वो ग्लिम्स भी बहुत अमेजिंग था. और especially the movie is going to come in 3D, so guys please go in IMAX and watch in 3D. We especially made for IMAX.
क्या बात है?
Make sure to watch in IMAX as well.
क्या बात है?
और स्पेशली हनुमान का कैरेक्टर वो एक्सपेक्टेड
हाँ, सनी देओल का कैरेक्टर तो बहुत एक्सपेक्टेड.
हाँ कि
बॉलीवुड का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही ज्यादा परफेक्ट है ये रामायण के
and also the mythology with modernity.
Yeah.
क्या बात है? Okay, and of now, what's the rating out of 5?
10 में से 10. Absolutely.
One word for Ranveer, one word for Yash. What you can say?
रावण का भी अच्छा है
Okay.
For me, Ranveer. So yeah, Ranveer once said, "See you at the movies," and I'm definitely sure everyone now is going to see you at the movies. It's going to be epic. And talking about Yash, उसका तो personality है. Like, we could not even imagine someone else is a better character than Ravan. So yeah, it's going to be great.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
The next level it was because जो 3D effects है ना बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे दिया है and I'm क्या बोलते हैं expecting more from the film.
हाँ, उसके अलावा कास्ट के बारे में क्या कह रहे? कास्ट में इतनी तगड़ी कास्ट है, कास्ट के बारे में क्या लगता है?
कास्ट तो बहुत अच्छी किया है. रणवीर कपूर ऐसा और सिर्फ है नजश ओन भाई इतना खतरनाक दिखता वो और उसका सिर्फ एक ग्लिम्स है उसका पूरा अगर आएगा वो ग्रुप में जहाँ पर वो क्या बोलते हैं मुंडे लेकर लगा और वो अपना तो भाई नेक्स्ट लेवल उसकी एक्टिंग तो है ही. तो पता है
क्या बात है?
और मजा आएगा. हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे आएगा वो. यस
AR रहमान का म्यूजिक वगैरह कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा लगता है. बहुत एक पिक्चर
फुल पैसा उसमें जाएगी फिल्म, क्या लगता है?
जाएगा तो सही. बहुत पैसा अच्छा कमा लेगा. 2 पार्ट में अभी ये साल 1 पार्ट है, नेक्स्ट ईयर नेक्स्ट पार्ट अच्छा चले जाए.
क्या 5 में से स्कोर देंगे इस डील के लिए अभी के लिए?
5 में से 5 का है क्योंकि ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से इन्होंने दिखाया है. 3D में देखना ही है ये पिक्चर देखना है 3D में देखो या तो IMAX में देखो वो इस चीज में देखो. ये 2D में देखने से नहीं है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है?
वो नेक्स्ट लेवल एक्सपीरियंस होगा. करेक्ट. यस
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू भाई. कैसे लगे आपको? अरे क्या बात है, शुरू हो गए. हाँ. तो फाइनली गेम्स देखिए, रामायण का कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया है गेम्स, बहुत मैसिव है, बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत है. एक्चुअली ये VFX इतने प्यारे हैं, मुझे मजा आ जाए. जो अपनी जनरेशन है जो रामायण से अपने हिस्ट्री से कनेक्टेड नहीं है, मुझे बहुत मजा आएगा. और मैं तो इतना फॉर्चुनेट हूँ, मैं तो समझता हूँ कि मैं इस फिल्म का पार्ट भी हूँ.
क्या बात है? आपने तो नजदीक से फिल्म देखी.
यश के साथ काम करता हूँ और मैं उसको बना था और जो उनका एक पार्ट है उसके स्टार्टिंग लाइन में वहाँ पे बना. सेकंड में तो आया कि देखते हैं
हमने सिर्फ रणवीर और यश का देखा है. तुम्हें अगर फिल्म के बेस वाले कास्ट एंड क्रू लाइक रवि दुबे, हनुमान, ऐसे
we are not allowed to even share our picture. तो ये है पर्सनल शो है, उनका आप ये तो बाकी लोग मुझे बताएंगे.
अच्छा, क्या लगता है बॉक्स में प्रोडक्शन क्या हो सकता है? I guess it will break all the records. Oh, all right. One word for Ranveer, one word for Ravana as a Yash. Like both are amazing. The cast is perfect, right? And they are trying it to lives. And it will be a dream come true to watch. What's your rating out of 5? 5.